Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click that button below and also click that little bell to give you notifications of when my next tip of the day is coming out. Okay, so today's tip of the day is about sharing your testimonials. Now, bear with me, if you're completely new coming into this industry, you might not yet have testimonials. Okay, and that's absolutely fine. But the power of testimonials is amazing because what it does is it highlights the service that you're offering and the products that you're promoting to other potential customers. Now, if you don't have those testimonials yet, just bear it in mind. And as soon as you make that first sale, of course, you're going to start building your testimonials. Now, when you're involved in a specific program, say that has a community, what you can do is leverage the testimonials and the messages and the wins from inside that community you're part of. Now, what I mean by that is there can be, say, there's a program I'm involved with. We have like 46,000 members, okay? And there's wins every single day. People are making commissions every single day. So you can take that information, and I've done it many, many times when I was getting started. I take that information, I screenshot that message, I blank out their name, and I'll just share the message inside my stories on TikTok or Instagram, on my posts that I'm creating content for, and I'll talk about these wins that are happening on a daily basis inside the community that I'm part of. And what that does is shows people how well this program works for everyday normal folk like you and I. Okay, because it is 100% people are changing their lives every day. You share those testimonials in your stories, in your own business. And that is the power of being part of a community. So, but of course, as you start making more sales yourself and building your customer base and building your email list, and then you start building your brand and you start having your own customers' testimonials to share through email marketing campaigns, so on. So you're always kind of growing your know, like, and trust factor. I've talked about this before, but it's about building that authenticity, that quality, professionalism, so people know that what you're involved with is 100% a quality product because you've got testimonials from customers of yours saying so. Bear that in mind, use it, okay, but don't panic. If you haven't got any testimonials just yet, just use what you can from inside the community you're part of. Okay, and if you're not inside the community, I'll leave a link below so you can check out which one I'm part of to see if it's going to be a fit for you. If not, drop some comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Next tip of the day will be there tomorrow morning waiting for you. Have a great day, guys. All the best. Take care.